Assalamu alaikum, this is Musawwir, an associate cost management accountant. In this lesson of tutorial, we will learn how to create Pareto analysis chart in Excel. Pareto analysis is a statistical technique used in decision making for the selection of a limited number of tasks that produce significant overall effect. It uses the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, which means by doing 20% of work, you can generate 80% of benefit of doing the entire job. This technique is useful where you have multiple input variables and some of the variables do contribute significantly towards the process as compared to others. Like in companies, we have various products. Some of the products do contribute a lot towards the profitability of company as compared to the others. So by the help of this technique, those elements and those products contributing towards the process and contributing towards the results are identified, and effective decisions are being taken for the sustainable value optimization of that process. So for an example, if you see in our data, in column D we have products and in column E we have sales revenue. So in our sample example, if you notice, the first three products do contribute 87% revenue towards the company, whereas the rest of products do contribute hardly 13%. So topics we will cover in this video are how to add secondary axis to a chart, how to add two different chart types to a single chart, and how to create chart with discontinuous ranges. So let's go ahead and create this Pareto analysis chart. To create this chart, we have another sheet. Let me first copy this table to paste in the next sheet. Alright, to paste it over here. Let me also add another column for the cumulative revenue. Cumulative revenue is the running total of any table, so that means current value plus the previous one is the cumulative amount. Dragging this till the end. Alright, I'm inserting another column for the cumulative revenue in terms of percentage. So in order to calculate the cumulative revenue percentage, I need to have the sum total of the revenue. Alright, that's over here, 109 million, and for the percentage for product 1, this value divided by the total revenue. So make sure this should be freezed as long as I drag it down, so this cell should be freezed. So now copy this formula till the end to paste values. Alright, you can see the format over here is decimal. I need to convert this into percentage. Go to the number over here, go to the home and find the number panel, and you have percentage, mark it up. Let me middle it. Alright, here you go. So this is our table. Now for creating the Pareto analysis chart, let me draw a blank chart first of all. Going to the insert, under charts panel we have the 2D column chart. Alright, let me expand this, resize it to make it more visible. Alright, right click on it, go to, first of all go to the select data. In this window you have two parts, one the legend entry series, another is the horizontal axis. Let me add a series over here. My series name is the sales revenue, and the series values are the sales revenue values for all products. Press OK. For horizontal axis we have products till end. Press OK. I am adding another series which is for cumulative revenue percentage, and for the series values we have these percentages. Press OK. Press OK. And for horizontal axis we have the products again. go highlight and press OK. OK again. Alright, let me add a legend here. Alright, I want this legend to be at the bottom of the chart. Alright, so in this chart you can notice the bar for the cumulative revenue percentage is so small that it's not visible clearly. So for making it more visible, highlight this, go to the format data series and make it the secondary axis. Now this will appear, the cumulative series percentage will appear over here as secondary axis. We have the primary axis as the revenue in terms in millions. Alright, so for inserting the Pareto analysis chart or inserting the chart type in a chart, highlight this again, right click on it, find the change series type, click on it, and over here there are various options, chart options. Go to the combo, and under combo you have these chart types. Find the chart clustered column having a line over the secondary axis, press OK. Now you have a Pareto analysis chart over here. First of all, I need to label this series. For having the label, highlight this line, go to the short option over here, go to data labels. Alright, I want this to be above, expand it, make it above, make it above the line. So you can see these labels are now above the line. One thing that I must have to do over here is to add a markers to these points. For adding a marker, again highlight this, right click on it, go to the format data series. Alright, go to the format data series and highlight these. You can see under the fill option the marker over here, click on it. There are few other options as well. Expand the marker options. You have the automatic, none, built-in, choose built-in. Over here you have various types to put. I am choosing the square. Alright, now we have markers as square over the lines. As you can see from this chart, the first three products contribute 87% sales towards sales of the company, whereas the rest of the products do contribute 13%. So this is how Pareto analysis charts are being created in Excel. You can also apply more formatting tools and techniques to make this chart more presentable. You can try by your own. I hope you like this video. Until next video, take care.